Hello children, today let us start lesson number 4, Natural Resources. Dear students, today we are going to talk about the natural resources. Here we are studying about the different resources which we get from the nature. When you say that the resources which we get from the nature, that is they have plenty of things to discuss. Today we will discussing about air, water, soil, and also we discussing about the human activities that disturbing the balance of environment. How human activities are disturbing the balance. Dear children, all of you know that human destroying the environment. Yes or no? Tell me. See, in the solar system there are the 8 planets are there. All of you know that? Yes, no? Our Earth is the 3rd planet. Okay. We are calling as our Earth is a unique planet. Dear students, why we are calling our Earth is a unique planet? Means Earth supports a life. Why in other planet we cannot see any living organisms in them? Only the Earth supports a life because the moderate temperature and water, soil, air, minerals, all these environment, okay, all these resources what we are getting already in the Earth. Our Earth consists of essential resources which support a life. Water, soil, air, minerals, plants, animals, etc. which occur naturally on Earth called as resources, dear children. All these resources occur naturally on Earth are called as resources. We see various living and non-living things around us. Yes, no? We see various of living and non-living things around us. The things that occur in nature and that are useful to us, dear children, the things occur in nature and that are useful to us are called as natural resources. Many of these resources means natural resources are essential for survival. Some of them are used for satisfying our needs, dear children. Yes, the natural resources which are those water, soil, air, minerals, plants, animals, etc. Okay. After studying this lesson, what we are going to understand? We understand that need of natural resources and know the types of natural resources and significance of different resources and classification of natural resources as renewable and non-renewable resources and realize the moderate use of the natural resources and their conservation, dear children. Okay, before going to explain this lesson, they are given some riddles, dear children. Riddles. Okay, now first one. You can't live without me. Every plant, tree, animal needs me. Nobody can see me. Who am I? Tell me, dear students. Who am I? I am a air. Okay. Next one. I occupy major portion of the earth. I satisfy all your thirst. I make animal, tree and plant cool. Who am I? Tell me, dear students. Who am I? Water. Next. I let you live on me. I help to grow plants and trees. I support all life on me. Who am I? Tell me. Soil. Okay. Next, 4th one. I give fruits and nuts. I spread cooling shades. No life without me. Who am I? Plants or trees? Right, trees. Vehicles like bus, lorry and car use me to run. Took thousands of years to form me. From underneath the soil you extract me. Who am I? Tell me, dear students. Who am I? Petrol. Next. Plate, tumbler and vessels are made up of me. Beautiful jewels are made up of me. My ore will be hardened by you. Who am I? Tell me. Metal. These are the metals. Iron, gold, silver. Okay. Darkness drives away from me. Bright light comes from me. A source of energy, that is me. Who am I? Who am I? Tell me, dear students. Sun. Air, water, soil, trees, petrol, metals and all these are called as a natural resources. Dear students, generally the natural resources can be classified as a renewable and non-renewable resources. Okay, there are the types of natural resources, means renewable and non-renewable. Next class we will study about the renewable and non-renewable resources. There are two types of natural resources. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those they have the ability to renew themselves, to provide it not extinguished together. Example, for renewable resources, sunlight, wind, water, soil, forest and livestock.